Hey everybody, Mike and I are just getting ready to leave here from Philadelphia. We had a great session today.
Yeah, we were with Southwark. They make a lot of metal products, sheet metal products for the HVAC industry. And man, what a great group, Ria.
Yeah, phenomenal.
They were really group. Mr. Bill, their third generation owner, he was in there. Top leaders were in the room. 7 plant managers and their respective HR managers from around the country, a lot of different states. They got the HVAC market squared away across the whole country. Man, they were on fire. We got lots of great feedback during and after, and we love to meet these kind of people.
Yep.
Really a special group. They were fired up. They're ready to go back and make things happen. I have no doubt some of them absolutely will. Maybe sooner than others. Maybe all of them. We'll see. We'll find out when we're real.
Yeah.
But they made an impact with us today just because of who they are and how they felt and things they said about their people. So it was a privilege for us to be here. Heading back to Atlanta.